Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's time for something real exciting, so try and remain calm. We're going to unbox something we bought from Walmart.com. That's right, it's a nightstand. So let's get to it. Try not to stab myself. There we go, now I got it. I was trying to cut the whole box instead of just the tape, you know. Let's see, we got a lot of styrofoam. Come get a closer look. Look at all this. Packed in here with styrofoam. That's good quality. Make sure not to damage your product. Perfectly packed. Alright, now I'm going to dump it out over here. Look at that. Nice finish. Here's some and the instructions, gotta have that. And that is all, folks. We're gonna try and figure out how to put this mess together, and we'll see what we come up with. Well, we have finished putting together our nightstand, as you can see, and I'm very pleased with it. Got a cool little door that opens right here with a magnetic closing mechanism, and it's very good quality, strong wood. It's not cheap or anything like that. Very good stuff. I'm very happy with it, and thumbs up for Walmart.com. Alrighty.